I had no idea this was happening inside my blood every morning until I saw it. This tiny drink completely changed how my body handles sugar, and honestly, it shocked me. Those glowing particles, that's your blood sugar. You need it for energy, but too much quietly starts damaging your body long before you feel anything. Right after you eat, sugar rushes into your blood like this, and your body has to react fast, every single time. These tiny cells release insulin to control it. But when this keeps happening daily, they slowly start wearing out. Eventually, your cells stop responding properly, so sugar stays stuck in your blood, where it keeps causing damage. But the moment ginger enters your body, something completely different starts happening. It actually helps your cells respond to insulin again, almost like waking them back up. This part surprised me the most. Ginger helps open the pathways that pull sugar out of your blood. And once that happens, everything flows the way it's supposed to. Your blood clears, and your cells finally get steady energy. Studies show ginger can actually improve blood sugar and insulin response in real people. Within about 30 minutes, your body is already preparing to handle sugar better, before you even eat. Week 3, I did improve my diet a bit too. But starting my day like this made everything else easier. And here's something most people miss. Inflammation makes blood sugar worse. Ginger helps calm that too. My HbA1c value started to go down. This is how doctors measure long-term blood sugar. I was happy with the results. Week 2. I stopped craving sugar in the afternoon completely. My energy just felt steady. This is what high sugar does over time. It slowly damages your blood vessels, even when you don't feel it. Stable blood sugar protects your heart, your eyes, your kidneys, basically your entire body. You don't see blood sugar damage while it's happening, but it is. Try this for 30 days, then check your numbers. I really want to know what happens for you.